In today's fast-paced world, convenience and efficiency are key, especially for those who are always on the move. This is where the portable washing machine, a foldable mini washing machine, truly shines, offering a compact and foldable solution for your laundry needs. Imagine being able to carry a washing machine in your luggage or backpack, ready to clean your clothes wherever you are, be it in an apartment, hotel, RV, or even while camping. With an unfolding size of just 11.6 by 11.6 by 11.4 inches and a folding size of 11.6 by 11.6 by 5.5 inches, this 8L capacity washer is a game changer. Despite its small size, it's capable of washing a variety of items at once, from 1 baby bath towel to 6 underwears, 8 baby clothes, to 12 socks. This versatility makes it perfect not just for personal use, but also for baby items or even in a sick room where cleanliness is paramount. The design is thoughtful, focusing on saving water and electricity, which is a boon for environmentally conscious users. However, it's important to note that due to its size, it's more suited for small and delicate items, as larger items might not only fit poorly but could potentially damage the machine. What sets this mini washing machine apart is its construction with TPE and food-grade silicone material, ensuring safety for your most delicate items, including baby clothes. Moreover, the inclusion of a blue light offers deep washing protection, aiming to keep bacteria at bay and providing a healthier life, which is crucial for items like baby clothes or underwear. The machine doesn't fall short on convenience either. It requires no. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.